To buy any coin on Pancake Swap using Trust Wallet, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Next, tap the browser option at the bottom right side of the screen. Then enter the URL Pancake Swap, finance and search. You will be taken to the Pancake Swap website, where you'll need to connect your Trust Wallet if you haven't already. Scroll down to find the Connect Wallet option and tap on it to connect. After connecting your wallet, tap the Trade option at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will allow you to swap coins. For example, if you want to convert USDT to Ethereum, type USDT in the first field and ETH or Ethereum in the second field. Then, enter the amount of USDT you want to swap, let's say 10 or 100. You'll see the amount you'll lose and gain, as well as the current exchange rate, e.g., 1 Ethereum equals a certain amount of USDT. If you have a balance of the coin you want to swap in your Trust Wallet, you can enter the coin you have and the coin you want to buy. Then tap the option to complete the swap. This will allow you to successfully buy any coin on Pancake Swap using Trust Wallet.